So a new box, and that means a new unboxing video. This time the new iPad Pro with the M2 chip. And I know, I'm very late to this party, but yeah, better late than never, they say, right? So as you just saw, I have the 11-inch model with 128 gigabytes without cellular. So let's go and unbox this thing. And the first thing we see, obviously, the iPad. I've chosen for this silver one because it matches that black color of that camera bump. And overall, I've noticed that I'm always gravitating towards those lightish color when it comes to Apple devices. So like I said, the 11-inch model with 4 speakers, a couple of microphones, the magnetic connector at the side for your Apple Pencil, and a USB-C charging port. What's more inside this box is a step-by-step guide, and I'm not sure why Apple include always a step-by-step guide, like we need those or something, and some paperwork. We have also stickers, and unlike the MacBook Pro, these stickers are white instead of black, so I'm not sure why Apple have chosen for the white color, but hey, that's Apple. There's also a charging brick with a USB-C port, thank God, and this one's the European version. We have also the USB to USB-C cable, and this cable though is different from the previous USB-C to USB cable. The difference here is that it's braided. I'm sorry, I know it's not very visible on this cam, but it is braided, which means less knots in your cable. So when it comes to the aesthetics, there's no difference whatsoever in comparison to the previous iPad. We have the same model, the same bezels. The only difference here is the M2 chip, so what's inside. And that difference is definitely notable in the performance of this iPad. So as always, when starting a new Apple device, it asks you to do the usual stuff such as connecting it to your Wi-Fi and setting up Face ID, and that's exactly what I'm doing right here. I'm inserting a passcode, and this is the beauty of the iPad. If you insert a easy to guess password, you get a warning that password is way too easy and you need to do something else. And Apple ID is kind of necessary. It's like if you don't have Apple ID on your iPad, it's like driving a car without seats. Yes, it drives, but yeah, you can't seat. So yeah, that's that. So I need to agree to some terms and conditions. I need to choose a backup from my previous devices, and this is how it backs up. It takes some time. I'm speeding up this video, and eventually you'll get this home screen. So the iPad Pro, other than the normal iPad and iPad Air, this one is made for the creative people, artists that take advantage of its capabilities to create art. Can you use this iPad as a student? Absolutely. Should you buy this iPad as a student? I don't think so, because if you just buy the iPad Air, which is cheaper and gives you the exact same thing, I would definitely go for the iPad Air. You can use your Apple Pencil, you can attach it to a Magic Keyboard and all of that. So a student or a note taker, definitely just go for the iPad Air. Furthermore, yeah, I haven't used this iPad excessively so that I can give you an honest review about it. That should be something for a next video. For now, thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.